Hi, I'm Blake from JSB Home Solutions. If you're someone who loves raw, unfinished materials and sleek, modern design, then the industrial kitchen style might be exactly what you are looking for. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect industrial kitchen that combines both functionality and bold aesthetics. Let's dive in. An industrial kitchen is all about embracing raw, unfinished materials and showcasing their natural beauty. Think exposed brick, steel, concrete, reclaimed wood, and metal finishes. This style brings the outdoors in with open shelving, exposed beams, and bold factory-inspired lighting. It's a style that's both rugged and modern, focusing on both practicality without sacrificing design. The key materials in an industrial kitchen are raw and authentic. Exposed brick walls give the space a gritty, urban feel. Steel and concrete for countertops and shelving bring in sleek, modern vibes while remaining incredibly durable. Reclaimed wood for cabinetry adds warmth, creating a balanced contrast with the cooler metals. These materials not only look great, but also stand the test of time. Industrial kitchens are incredibly practical. Open shelving allows you to display your cookware while keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The use of materials like steel, concrete, and wood means your surfaces are not only stylish but durable and low maintenance. These surfaces stand up to heavy use, making it ideal for busy households. It's a design that prioritizes function without compromising on aesthetics. Choosing an industrial kitchen offers several great benefits. First, it's timeless. This style never goes out of fashion and the materials age beautifully over time. Plus, industrial kitchens are built to last. Whether you're cooking or entertaining, the surfaces can handle it all. The minimalist design also keeps your kitchen organized, which is great for functionality. Lastly, it's a style that adds character to your home, and it can even boast your resale value due to its modern and enduring appeal. Here are some simple steps to help you get started on your industrial kitchen design. Use raw materials. Exposed brick, steel, and reclaimed wood are essential to achieve that industrial look. Go for open shelving. It adds an airy, minimalist feel while keeping things accessible and organized. Add industrial lighting. Pendant lights or factory-inspired fixtures will instantly elevate the space. Mix textures. Combine metal, wood, and concrete for a rich, layered aesthetic. Choose durable surfaces. Materials like concrete and steel are both visually appealing and practical. Now that you've got the basics down, can you imagine your dream industrial kitchen taking shape? At JSB Home Solutions, we specialize in bringing this bold style to life while focusing on both beauty and functionality. Whether you're remodeling or starting from scratch, we can help you design a space that is uniquely yours. Ready to create your dream kitchen? Schedule a consultation with one of our expert design consultants today, and let's bring that industrial kitchen vision to life. Visit JSB Home Solutions for more information and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.